So today we are going to study another lesson, and this is the new lesson that I am representing in front of you. So I hope that you liked the previous lesson. So now today's lesson name is Eternity Lies in Unity. Right. So let's find out the meaning of the sentences that we find in our story, and I also try to tell you the meanings English to English, not in Hindi, so that you can increase your knowledge in English. Because Hindi is good also to know the Hindi meaning of the sentences and words, but it is also important to know the meaning of the sentences in English to English. So our habit, so we can make it a habit. So we can just include the English in our habit. So now eternity. Eternity means what is the meaning of eternity? So let's find out and read all the story. So if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications, new videos notification directly into your email, inbox. So the meaning of the eternity is unending time, right? Unending time. And lies means to be kept. In Hindi we just say रखा हुआ या रखना, ठीक है. And unity means together, being togetherness. Okay, so now let's find out what happens in this story. Once, as I told you yesterday's class, that now we use only once. There is no need to use once upon a time. So it's also correct, but nowadays in the modern English we can just do and we can say only once. Once upon a time, or once an old man lived with his 4 sons in a village. An old man was living with his 4 sons. He had 4 sons and they were just living in a village. So the brothers always fought. Okay, so all the 4 brothers used to fight between them and quarrel. So quarrel and fight, difference between quarrel and fight, and there is not lots of difference between quarrel. Quarrel means I mean heated argument between between the people. And the fight also happens sometimes, physical fight also happens, so that's why we just call it fight. And they beat each other in the fight, and in the quarrel they just discuss or argument with each other, not discuss. So with each other and their father. So those 4 brothers always used to fight and quarrel with each other. And their father, what happened to their father? Their father was always worried. Worry means to feel anxious or troubled about somebody or something. So his father, because of his their son, their father was always worried about their behavior. Behavior means way of talking or way of doing something. Okay, how you just behave, how you talk, and how you just sit and live your life. So that is called behavior. So he was really known about their behavior. So their father was very worried about them. So a cheat. So what is the meaning of cheat? A fraudster. Okay, we can say thief, but here we should not call him thief, because it is written clearly a cheat. It is it is written clearly cheat. So cheat means fraudster. Okay, a cheat decided to have the advantage. Advantage means to take the benefit of the situation. Okay, or superior situation you have. So that cheater, actually cheat or cheater, that is not big difference. Cheat or cheater. So the cheat and the fraudster, he just knew that they are just quarrelsome with each other. So he decided to have some advantage of the situation. And what he did? he tried to create more disagreement. Disagreement means disapproval. So disagreement amongst the brothers. So actually they he the cheat wanted to break them into the pieces, into the means he wanted to make them separate. So why? So that he could grab their fathers. Grab means to grasp or to get something or attract something or suddenly. So he could grab their father's property. Property means something belonging to us. Anything, it can be anything, any house, anything. So he told one of the brother. Actually, the cheat went one by one to the brothers, and what he told to the brothers, he said, "Your brothers say that you are weak." Oh, your brothers say that you are weak, and repeated the same sentence. Okay, in front of another brother. Means he went to one by one to four brothers, and he told them that you are weak. Your brothers say that you are weak, and the same sentence he repeated one by one, all of the four brothers. And what happens? What as a result? Resulting means as a result in more fight. They started fighting with each other more. So finally one day their father called them to solve. Solve means to find any answer. Their issue means a kind of situation or kind of in Hindi we just call it mamla, otherwise problem. So he gave them some sticks. Stick means a piece of wooden which has been fallen from the tree or cut off from the tree. Tightly. Tightly means fixed situation or firm. Okay. Bound means bind together. Bind together. And said means there was some piece of sticks, 10 to 15 pieces of sticks, and the father, what he did, he actually suppose these are the sticks, and the father just tightly grabbed them, tightly bound them like this. Okay. And then what he did, this was like that. And he said to his son, "I order you to break this bundle." Okay, so he made the bundle of the sticks and ordered to their son that to break this bundle of sticks into two. Okay, so what happens next? So one by one they matched their strength. Strength means physical power, physically strong, we can say. So one by one means all the four sons, they tried one by one their strength, their power, physical power, but they could not break the bundle of sticks. Okay, they were unable to break the bundle. Break means separate from one another into two pieces. Okay, so actually they were unable to break the bundle of the sticks. Then what happens? Their father untied. Untie means, tie means actually in Hindi we can say tie means fasting. In Hindi we just say that bandhna. And so untie means kholna means unfasting. Okay, unfastened the sticks and told them to break each stick, means single sticks. Now the father told them to break single sticks into pieces, because at this time it was not the bundle of the sticks. So and the boys were now able to easily break all the sticks, means now they were easily breakable because it was single sticks. So their father explained. So their father, what he explained, what has happened. to these sticks, same will happen to you. Okay, means their father wanted to make them understand that, like the sticks, that when they were just bundle of the sticks, you were not able to break them. But as you untied the bundle of the sticks, and a single piece of stick you took, so able you were easily able to break single stick. So the same way, if the same way and the same thing will happen to you, if, my son, as long as you remain untied. Untied will resist means to refrain from something. You are not agree from something. Okay, so you resist, and nobody will be able to defeat you to win over. Okay, to defeat you means he wanted to make them understand that if you are united, means together, if you will be together, so nobody will be able to defeat you. But if you are alone, single, okay, so anyone can harm you. Harm means physically injured. Okay, so this was the story, and it was nice story that you got to know about it. Now we can just get all the vocabulary at one place, so you can easily able to get all the vocabulary properly in your notebook. So now let's move to the questions. And the first question is, how many sons did the man have? So the man had, the old man, we can say, the old man had 4 sons, right? And the next question is, what did the brothers do? And actually the brothers tried to break the bundle of sticks. Break the bundle of sticks. And who tried to create disagreement amongst the brothers? The cheat. The cheat tried to create the disagreement amongst the brothers. And what did the father give to his sons? The father gave them bundle of sticks. Okay, so by this way today we learned one more lesson, that unity is strength, right? So if you find it very useful, then please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.